Hi friends, welcome to College Solution channel. So this video is about VIT EEE 2022 examination dates, and it is offline or online. So based on the latest news, the exam dates are declared. So we can see that last day to apply is 30th May. So this is fixed, and dates of examinations is oscillating. So here it is given that date of examination VIT EEE is 30th June to 6th July. So maximum this is confirmed VIT EEE 2022 dates. There may be no postpone or prepone regarding these dates. And result declaration, they given that 8th July 2022 is the results declaration, and counseling date also starts on 8th July 2022. So date of examination, it is clearly mentioned that 30th June to 6th July. So there will be slots according to that you should write the exam. And here we can see that VIT EEE 2022 computer based test at designated center from 30th June 2022 6th July. So the exam will be computer based test, and the exam centers also given. So you can check my previous videos regarding the exam centers. And one more thing is that the exam is computer based exam, but it is in centers, means you should go to the center and you should write the exam. So here you can see that computer based test at designated centers means it is like JEE Mains only. In JEE Mains you should go and write, you should go and attempt in computer but various centers. In this way only VIT EEE 2022 exams conducted in computer based test, but we should go to that center and we should write that exam. So it will be protocoled by VIT EEE staff, VIT university staff only. So total this is regarding VIT EEE dates and how the exam will be conducted. So the exams will be offline, 100% it is offline, but it is this time there is computer test, that's all. There is no change at all. Before 2 years we can check that VIT EEE conducted all online exams, but this year only offline, and there will be no phase 2 or phase 3. Last year also there is no phase 2 or phase 3, only one phase will be conducted, and it will be the final. 30th June to 6th July is the exam date, and it will be the final, no phase 2 and further phases. So this will be the final phase for VIT EEE every university college. If you want to join in VIT AP, then there is another option to write AP MCET exam. If you write AP MCET exam, you can join VIT AP through AP MCET, but the fee also is very less, that is 70,000 rupees only the fee is. But here you can see that there are total 5 category fee: 1,98,000, 2,10,000, 3 lakh something around, it will be total 5 categories. But in APM set, if you join through APM set, the fee will be only 70,000, so you can pay 70,000, but the hostel fee will be actual same with the VIT's hostel fee. There will be no change, but only tuition fee will be 70,000 if you join through APM set exam. The intake of APM set exam will be for CSE 950 seats they will take, so you have chance for VIT AP to join through APM set exam. And other point is the VIT AP cutoff in APM set is nearly 7,000 to 8,000 rank, so you can get, if you get 7,000 to 8,000 rank, you will get in VIT AP 70,000 rupees seat. So there will be no difference in VIT EEE students or APMC students, both are treated same only. So if you want to join in VIT AP, better to write AP MCET exam and join VIT AP than through VIT EEE exam. So this is the video about. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye friends.